I spent a lot of money on this kit, and it's pissing me off right now.
Here's my new tool.
Oh, to keep it from hitting the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Makes
Hold
sense.
this, I'm going to bottom this out on this first. Then I'm
Right.
going to go ahead and turn the nut down to the diameter we need it to be. And that's whatever diameter that is. So I can measure the
Why are you going to turn the nut down for? I don't understand.
I need to have a shoulder nut, and I don't have a shoulder nut. That much?
Blank.
580. So 550 is what we need to be. And this is, how much is this? 565. So I'll just make it 565. Same as that. Turn that down to that. I can make it, whatever depth I want on this. And this will be our installation tool. And just screw this thing right onto here. Like that. Screw it on the man motor. Boop. I just have to turn this down to get clearance. So that's what we're going to do. So first thing I do is I got to tighten this nut down so it stays in there. It doesn't move. So we just go like that a couple times. So we're jamming the threads together right now. I'm pretty sure that's not going to move now. That is now one. Let's go turn it down. What number we want?
650.
565.
Where the hell did I come up with 650 from?
I said 550. That's the continuous number I gave you, but the insert's 565, so. Okay, that's up against there. It doesn't look like very square to me, though. But
Whoa, that's a wobbly bolt there.
that's a custom bolt. You didn't think bolts were going to be square at all, did you? They are never square. Goes right back out, see? Alright, so that means I can't fix that without doing that. So what's that mean?
That bolt's bent.
That means the bolt's made wrong.
That too.
So that means we're going to have to adjust it. How do you adjust a nut without screwing the thread up?
Hmm? You heat it up and bend it.
Oh. That's how you would do it.
Or you just put another nut on it
You know, a nut on it.
and whack it.
That way you don't screw up the thread. Pretty close, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And that might be slightly screwed up. We'll go back and do it. Okay.
Future purposes.
That's right. Let's take it over here. I think this is where we want it to be.
Now I'm gonna change that bit out?
What?
It's chipped.
It is?
Needs to be sharpened.
Sharpened? Well, it might need to be sharpened. I think it. What size do you want it?
You said 550.
565. 650.
You got 100 to go.
100 bucks. Not that much. 100 Probably too much. I'm not sure if I'll leave it on. Hardware does not like to cut very well in my hands. Carbide bits do not like cut bolts. They're a horrible finish when you do. $5.95. $5.65. $61. It's enough. Chamfer on the edge there so I don't have a sharp edge. Nice chamfer on that just for the hell of it, because I like to. We know it's a perfectly straight bolt now. Well, you never use it for anything else.
Right.
I don't know why I don't give you an installation tool like that. Could have very easily just threw a nut in there that looked like that.
Mm-hmm.
What a tool you needed. I didn't take the edge off that. Doesn't fit. Oh, here's one. Look at that. Go in there 1/4 inch now. Okay, remember, don't use those ones, they suck.
That's how you do that.
Use the good ones over here. Boom, right in there. Okay, we're gonna use this?
No.
Use this?
We're using the 15th thou or the 10th thou.
The 10th thou what?
We're using the 10th thou. Suck 'em up, gap. Bam. Fills 10th thou gap.
This one's 15.
Well,
So you want the 4500?
How do you feel?
You want the heaviest one I got?
You feel like the difference in those two diameters is 10th thou or 15th thou?
The difference is the holding power.
Yeah, but no, I'm talking about on the threads. Do you feel like the diameters of this thread?
It's not a problem.
Well, I'm trying to fill the gap here.
The gap filler?
Yep.
I'm not worried about the gap. It's all about the holding power. This has a lot more holding power than that red does. So you do inside the hole and outside the hole, so when you're all done, it goes in there pretty good. With my installation tool. I just happen to have an installation tool here. Look how straight that bolt is. It's tight.
It's above the surface.
I noticed that. Why did I not go in? I think that hole is deep enough. No, they're going to go in deeper, I know that. Because we're maxed out on pressure. And there's no way that's coming back out. That's as far as that one's going to go. I have to file it flat. It's not even in there. So one's time install, so that little shoulder sticking up.
Mm-hmm.
That sucks. I know it's not coming out because that Loctite's already bit. Shit, what am I looking for? Fuck. gasket. That's what I was looking for. It won't matter, the gasket. Look at it, just fits in there. So the gasket goes over the edge of it. Put the cylinder. The stock cylinder right now. See if the stock cylinder is that. I'm assuming the cylinder is that big of a hole too. But we'll have to file that and we'll have to knock that down a little bit.
Cylinder right there.
We'll have to grind this down a little bit on the outside edge. Most likely. So we have to double check our tap depth or drill depth or something. Something's not accurate there. Even though that tap was bottomed out, there might have been chips on the bottom, I don't know. Obviously that one didn't have a problem. So maybe this one wasn't drilled as deep as the other one. We're obviously going to have to check it. Alright, well, one good, one bad. Don't forget to put this in there. What do we got to do? Put oil on it. You have to worry about it falling out, I know that. Well, I can see that one's tight now. You know why that one's tight?
Did you put a bolt in it?
Because somebody scratched the piss out of it with a tool, installation tool. See, once you go through a couple threads and it gets loose again, and we're bottomed out. Alright, I don't like that one, but it is what it is. Okay, that's it for that one. Still loose going on. That hasn't changed. Okay, where's our good cylinder at? Easier to get than yours. Not an issue. We're not even close. See, camera? Camera. We're not even close to hitting anything, so it's not an issue. So that being sticking up, it's not going to hurt a damn thing. The gasket goes over it, and well, obviously the cylinder doesn't really give a shit. It's loose as hell. Are you trying to push it to my hand?
Oh, okay. That's your hand right there. Okay.
Thought you trying to put oil in my hand.
No, I was just trying to make sure that, because it didn't make sense. I couldn't pull the stud all the way through the damn cylinder.
Yeah, something's in the way.
Yeah.
Alright, we're good for now.